Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and with this video I'm showing you the different herbs you ought to have in your backyard. I'll show you the different herbs and their uses. Has a number of benefits like improving sleep, treating skin blemishes, natural remedy to pain, reduce blood pressure and heart rate, sometimes relieves asthma symptoms, lessen menopausal hot flashes, helps combat fungus growth, potentially promotes hair growth, and others. Use it for steaming, body steaming, re-steaming, and many other factors. So it's worth planting in your backyard. Wow, local mint, normal mint, very rich in nutrients, improves bowel syndrome, relieves indigestion, improves brain function, decrease in breastfeeding pain or any other pain, symptoms of cold, bad breath. It really masks bad breath. It works on halitosis. And it's easy to add to your diet. Do you want to detox? All that stuff. Mint does much more. So it's worth planting. Oh yeah, hemp. Wonderful plant. Very nutritious. Reduce your risk of heart disease, skin disorders. It's a very great source of plant-based protein. And it reduces symptoms of PMS and menopause. To mention but a few, it is a wonder plant, worth planting. Hibiscus plant, very rich, packed with antioxidants. Help to lower blood pressure, lowers fat levels, may boost your liver health, promote weight loss, contains compounds that can help to prevent cancer, helps to fight bacteria, yes, and many others. It's used by people who have anemia, used by people who have problems with arthritis, joint aches, etc, etc. So it's worth planting. Holy basil, yes, stress, anxiety, inflammation. It's an adaptogen with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Very good. Are you suffering from arthritis, fibromyalgia, stomach pain? Holy basil is the answer. Try it. Plant it. The lemongrass plant. Good for digestion, full of antioxidants, regulates high blood pressure, boosts metabolism, burns fat, naturally great skin and hair care, heals colds, heals flus, relieves menstrual pains. The aroma in the tea, worth planting. Lemon verbena is used for digestive disorders like indigestion, gas, colic, diarrhea, constipation. Also used for agitation, joint pain, trouble sleeping, which is insomnia, asthma, colds, fever, hemorrhoids, varicose veins, skin conditions, chills. Lemon balm, wow, relieves stress, anxiety, it boosts cognitive function, is insomnia, treats cold sores, relieves indigestion, helps with nausea, to mention by a few. Worth planting. Peppermint eases digestive upsets, digestive symptoms such as gas, bloating, indigestion, relieves tension, headaches and migraines, freshen your breath, clogged sinuses, improves on energy, menstrual cramps, fights bacteria and infections, improves sleep. And did I mention the aroma? Turmeric, the mighty turmeric, very good for heart problems, preventing heart disease, Alzheimer's, cancers, natural skin bleach. Use it to fade dark circles. Very good for depression, arthritis, stretch marks, all that stuff. Turmeric is very good for very many conditions, so it's worth planting. Thyme, packed with vitamin C, great source of vitamin A. It snaps you back to health in no time. It's very good source of copper, fiber, iron, manganese, very good immune booster. And did I mention that most of these herbs are very good spices in your tea, in your food, and etc. Worth planting. Kalanko pinnatarum, very good with rhinitis, combats ulcers, treats cancers, protects the female reproductive system, very good with oral health, helps to heal wounds. Very worth planting. It's a good analgesic, removes ties in eyes, very good with treating back pains, health of your feet, treatment of sunburns, warts, diseases of ears, nose and throat, ENT. It fights wrinkles, relax muscles. Very good to use and so worth planting. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to leave me a comment in the comment section. Also click on the notifications bell. Thank you. Bye.